This video is a tutorial on how to use a smart button panel. This demo setup includes our system power module, the IoT smart gateway, the 8-channel 16A relay switch module, and the 6-button smart switch panel. First, we need to set the deep switches on the panel. The panel is set to ID4. We use a 4-core cable to connect the button panel to the system. The Internet port of the gateway is directly connected to the computer using a network cable. Double-click to run our editor software. After opening the editor, we create a new project and name it Test. We search for the gateway. After the gateway is found, we connect it to it. Then this is the system environment we have set up: the gateway, the 8-channel 16A relay switch module, and the 6-button smart switch panel. You can double-click to add the devices, or click the icon in the top right corner to add all devices at once. Next, we create new control points. For the switching module, we select the point address and double-click it, then add each relay channel one by one. After that, we add the button values of the panel. Later, we will bind functions here. Now we create a new scene. For example, all on scene. We select the device and add the relay on action. Then we double-click to add the other relay channels as well. Next, we create another scene, an all-off scene. Again, we select the relay channels and add the off actions. The remaining channels are added by double-clicking. Now we bind the panel functions. For example, button 1 is for the all-on scene. Button 2 is for the all-off scene. Button 3 controls circuit 1 toggle. Button 4 controls circuit 2 toggle. Button 5 controls circuit 3 toggle. Button 6 controls circuit 4 toggle. So button 1 and button 2 are all on and all off scene. And buttons 3, 4, 5, and 6 are individual relay toggle controls. Next is the status settings. We can select scene. When synchronization is enabled, the relay status will be fed back to the panel indicator LEDs. There are other options available, but scene is the one we mainly use. Now we compile and upload the program. After uploading, the gateway will restart, which takes about 30 seconds. Okay, now the gateway has finished updating. Let's test the button panel functions. Button 1, all on. Button 2, all off. Single channel control. When the circuit is on, the indicator LED lights up, which means the relay is on. When the indicator LED is off, it means the relay is off. This is the synchronized operation feedback of the button panel.